live? Yes. Can I hear you all? Yeah. Okay. So you can see we've used a lot of objects here. I'm going to throw this football towards you. जिसके पास जाएगा वो आंसर देगा. Are we all sorted with that? Right? So what you need to do is you need to just catch it, right? Guys, ये हमारे साथ होगा. When we'll be in the classroom, students will not be ready. There's a lot of thought about physics. बहुत boring है. तो हमारा टास्क और ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है बिकॉज फिजिक्स को ऑलरेडी बोरिंग बोला जाता है. तो उसको इंटरेस्टिंग कैसे बनाना है वो हमारे हाथ में. तो एक फुटबॉल लेके जाइए क्लास में एंड अभी कंटेंट पूरा हो चुका है. लेट्स डू अ क्विक रिकैप. आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो इट. होपफुली यू विल कैच इट. मैं धीरे ही फेंकूंगा. प्लीज कैच करिए इसको. राइट? या कैन यू कैच इट प्लीज? कैन यू टेल व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस टॉपिक व्हिच वी आर डिस्कसिंग? Light. Perfect. So can someone tell us which was the first thing we did when we started here in today's session? इस क्लासरूम में यहाँ पर हमने कुछ किया था. Okay. The ground rule is आप अगर फुटबॉल आपके पास आता है तो ही आप आंसर देंगे, नहीं तो आप सोचेंगे कि आपके पास आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? Are we good to go? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell ma'am which was the next topic which we discussed? We switched off and switched on. What was the logic behind it? Was there a logic? Anybody who can just tell us the logic behind that? Does this object gives light? Yeah, let's try and catch. Sir, is this giving light? Is it giving light? Is it giving light? No. What do you think? Which object gives light? Do you think this object gives light? So if okay, if it is not giving light, what do we call this object as? Non-luminous. Perfect. उसके बाद if you would have seen, we tried. Anybody who can tell us what was the concept behind this? Wait, I'll throw the football. Hopefully. Yeah. In the classroom you will be alone, so you will have to manage. Right? So let's try, sir. Yeah. Can you just tell us what was the activity? What was the concept? Activity नहीं, body activity. What do we call the concept? The phenomena is rectilinear propagation of light. After that, we did an activity where we. So what? When we are talking about it, reflection of light is the next concept. And what is reflection was already shown. You bounce it, reflection होगा. Many a time it will happen that resources नहीं available है. फुटबॉल नहीं अवेलेबल होगा तो आप क्या करोगे? आप नहीं करोगे. हमको तो ट्रेनिंग में बताया था फुटबॉल से कराना है. इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, सेंटर में हमेशा नॉर्मल होगा. व्हाट डू वी कॉल एंगल मेड बाय इंसिडेंट रे विद नॉर्मल? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. अगर मैं इसको चेंज करूंगा तो ये क्या होगा? इसका क्या होगा? ये भी चेंज होगा. राइट? सो दैट्स वन लॉ. व्हाट इज दैट? if I changes, R also changes. What do we call it as? Angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. Perfect. After that we have seen certain applications, right? Now, are we ready for some questions? Already we have summarized what we have done. Few questions on the screen for all of us. Let's see who can answer. जो सबसे पहले हाथ ऊपर करेगा फुटबॉल उसके पास आएगा. Perfect. So let's try. You will just tell us the answer. Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, can you catch? You can choose to answer any of the questions. B. Okay, which question are you talking about? First one. So it says, what is law of reflection? You can see answer is given. We have already covered. Paraphrasing. Asking again. Are we alive right now? Perfect. Going on to the next one. After this, you will not be always available, so just give this link to them. This is live worksheet, which is just one more minute. It's a live worksheet. You need to just click on it. It will take you to a worksheet which is live. You can try it out for all subjects. It's available. Here, student will write the answer. They click on submit. They get the report card. Live worksheet. You need to just type this in Google. Live worksheet. We'll be sharing it on group, right? So this is one important tool. आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज देख लीजिए, लाइव वर्कशीट्स पे अवेलेबल है. You don't even have to log in. आप क्लिक करिए, अपना टॉपिक डालिए, you will get the content related to it. Now, beyond that, when we come to the science part, these are some of the reference books. सिमुलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अगर आप सिमुलेशन ट्राई कर सकते हो तो देर आर दीज टू साइड्स, PhD which is PET, Physics Engineering and Technology. The other one is Java Lab. These are very interesting sites for simulation. So lab अगर नहीं भी available है, internet available है. So you can try this. I guess that's it from our end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.